Career Accelerator is addressing the unique needs of students and has been acknowledged by the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for its impact on student employability.
Sir, it's an education technology product, sir. So we have been in this field for 10 years, and right now for the past 2 years we're using AI to provide career guidance to students who want to have a successful transition to IB without any experience or without any knowledge. We are capable of using our AI. It will evaluate the skills, skill assessment.
But the real happiness is in the success stories of our students who are seeing real results in their careers. Here's what our student says about how CareerX helped.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushma. I recently landed a job into IT field. I have moved here to pursue my master's degree. In the process of learning, I have developed interest into data engineering role. So where as any other student, I have did my research online about the role and the skills to be needed. I have reached out to the Career Accelerator team. The team was really very welcoming and they have shared me my personalized learning path according to my role. They have an AI tool called EduBot, where I have gained in-depth knowledge of the skills and also had hands-on practices. Coming to the interview preparations, they have conducted mock interviews every single day, and we had feedback sessions after every single mock interview, which really helped me to improve and also feel confident about myself.
We focus on bridging the gap between academic learning and real-world industry needs, ensuring you're ready for the job market from day one. CareerX doesn't just help you graduate, it helps you get hired. Our AI-powered platform, backed by domain experts, accelerates your career from your first semester. We identify the skills you need with AI-powered assessment. Grow with a learning path personalized to your career ambitions. Build real-world experience by tackling tasks and challenges that reflect the actual problems employers face at companies. Prepare for interviews with AI mock sessions and feedback. Helps you build a portfolio and get noticed by hiring managers. Step into your future with CareerX, just like thousands of students already have. We don't just help you graduate, we help you land the job you deserve. Let's connect.